Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on a Dell Latitude 14 5420 laptop. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have a total of 8 screws on this bottom case. After taking all of those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. And I say plastic because that should scratch your case a lot less than a metal one will. You're going to go around the seam of the bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Now it's generally better to start back here near the hinge assemblies in each corner. And once you start in one end, if you go down and you get stuck, leave it, start in the other direction and continue from there. Also, try not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, be slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this exact model computer, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, and it will have many of the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, and again, all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model, the 5420. Also, before touching anything in a computer, I always prefer to remove or at least unplug the battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. So here's your battery right down here. It's held on by 3 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now where it plugs into the motherboard, you'll see a black pull tab. You just grab that and pull directly up and off of the motherboard, and it will come off of that port. Now that the battery has been removed, or again, at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is right here on the left side of my screen. It's held in by a single screw right here on the left that holds down this metal plate. Once you remove that screw, the metal plate will come up, the Wi-Fi card will be released, and you can pull it out of this port here on the right. You can slide it to the left out of that port. At that point, all you have left are the antenna wire plugged in here. Those are just snaps. Those snap directly up and off of that Wi-Fi card. And to get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And you are strong enough to damage it if it's not at the right angle and you push too hard. So just be patient, go slow. It may be a little bit of a pain if you're not used to it, but get that at the right angle and you will be able to snap it back on. I will have all the Wi-Fi card specs below in the description to help you if you're looking for your own Wi-Fi card replacement, but I will also try to have a Wi-Fi card replacement option below in the description in that link I told you about with all of the replacement parts for this specific model computer. As a last side note to a Wi-Fi card replacement operation, if you are having Wi-Fi issues, if you can't see any networks, or if you can't even access your Wi-Fi options at all, it could be a bad Wi-Fi card. You may need to replace it, but it could also be something else. There will be a video link above and below in the description. It'll be a tutorial showing you how to troubleshoot if you don't have any Wi-Fi options. Hopefully you can fix it that way before having to come in here and attempt an invasive repair like this. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the 5420 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.